Okay, next item tayo mga kumari ko. Orange shirt. Orange shirt.
Laro tayo, please.
Mamaya na na. Okay, busy pa ang daddy.
Mandioca muffin po for John Paulo. John Paulo po.
Oh. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Tara na, halika na dito. Nandito na yung papasalubong ko sa'yo.
Mandioca? Yay!
Mandioca, special muffin made from real cassava with salted egg, melted cheese on top, and perfect balance of cream cheese inside. Ensure healthy benefits that they can afford for only 199 pesos.
Happy Father's Day po!
Experience the Filipino style muffins.